Hello, my name is Haja Mo. If you want enterprise applications that look beautiful, run fast, and are secure from day one, you are in the right place. Rocheston certified cybersecurity engineers are trained to install, configure, and deploy production grade web apps quickly, establish visibility, and align controls to your risk profile so results are immediate and measurable. Today, we focus on custom web app templates and rapid delivery of enterprise apps with world class user interfaces. RCC engineers arrive with a library of ready to adapt templates for dashboards, admin portals, ticketing, asset management, and SOC views. They build with modern stacks such as React or Vue with Node or Python or Java, connect to secure APIs, and deliver responsive layouts with maps, tables, charts, filters, and forms that feel effortless to use. Charts can be powered by Chart.js or D3, maps by Leaflet or Mapbox, data grids by AG Grid or similar, all styled to match your brand with an accessible design system. Security is built in from the first commit. Single sign on with SAML or OIDC, multi factor for sensitive actions, role based access for least privilege, and clean audit trails. Input validation and output encoding to stop injections, CSRF protection, session hardening, secure cookies, and strong TLS. HTTP security headers such as content security policy, HSTS, and X-frame protections, secrets in a vault, images scanned, SBOMs generated, and dependency checks automated. Every app ships with logging to your CEM, metrics to Prometheus and Grafana, and error tracking, so issues are found before users feel them. RCC engineers turn this into production value on day one. A baseline app is deployed behind your WAF or CDN, SSO is live, roles and approvals are defined, and a starter dashboard with maps, tables, and charts is ready for your data. CI/CD pipelines run SAST, SCA, and SafeDAST, sign artifacts, and roll out through Docker or Kubernetes with health checks and rollbacks. High-risk findings receive quick guardrails while engineering lands permanent fixes. Your teams get a fast and beautiful interface, and your security team gets control and evidence. Let's get started. Hire a Rocheston certified cybersecurity engineer and secure your organization on day one.